Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to make healthy potatoes egg sandwich. Hope you like it. This sandwich is simple and easy to make and can be quickly prepared in the morning before rushing to work. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe, so you may refer back anytime you like. Ingredients: potatoes, eggs, carrot. Peel and cut potatoes into small pieces. Peel and cut carrot into small pieces. Steam all ingredients. Remove from steamer. Egg remove shell, mash and set aside. A plastic spoon can easily separate the egg from the shell. Eggs can be easily mashed by forks. Mash potatoes and carrot with forks. Pour all ingredients into big brown. Optional to drizzle chicken powder. Drizzle grind black pepper. Drizzle your favorite salad or mayonnaise. Mix evenly. Get ready bread slices. Spread a thick layer of mashed potato egg. Personally, I think sandwiches with thicker fillings are more delicious. Cover with another piece of bread. Wrap bread with food wrap. Cut bread into half. Look at the fillings. I want to take a bite now. Plate sandwich. Let's eat. Isn't it simple? This sandwich can be made in no time and without much effort. The sandwich is very filling because it contains potatoes and eggs. The more you eat the filling of mashed potatoes and eggs, the more delicious it becomes. Potatoes can be a healthy breakfast option because they are a good source of nutrients and can help you feel full. Fiber. Potatoes contain fiber, which can help you feel full longer and promote bowel regularity. Potatoes are naturally gluten-free. Potatoes can also help with inflammation, calmness, and digestion. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist, yeah. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.